Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add products to menu in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, from here I want you to tap right where you see Navigation. After tapping on Navigation, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to tap on Main Menu. After tapping on Main Menu, you are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, then you are going to tap right where you see Add Menu Item. After you have tapped on Add Menu Item, you are going to type in the name that you would like to be displayed on the navigation bar. So let's say, for example, I'm adding a trimmer. So I would type in trimmer right here. After you have done that, you are going to tap right where you see link. Then you are going to tap on products. After tapping on products, from here you could tap on all products to add all products to your navigation. Or you can scroll down and select the particular product. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this product. I could tap on it. Then I could change the name. So like how that is an Echo, I could change the name to Echo right here. Then tap on Add in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. But before doing that, you can move the product into whichever position you like it to be on your navigation bar. So let's say I want it to be right below Track Your Order right here. All you have to do is tap right where you see the 6 dots. Then you are going to drag it. So I'm going to drag it and place it right below Track Your Order. Then I'm going to tap on Save. Once it has been saved, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option. And you are going to tap right where you see View Your Online Store. And from here, you will see that your product has now been added to the navigation bar. For example, you can see it right here. Here is Echo. And also, if you would like to know how to make a transparent header on Shopify, as you can see I have right here, you can check out the video in the description. So by tapping on the Echo right here, they'll be led to the Echo product page, as you can see here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.